So the thing is, when a new person comes into your studio, where do you start with them, right? So, it's nice what Joe says. Everything comes from within you. You have to unfold it. Pilates is for people. But in facts, what do I have to do with that person when they come into my studio, right? So I want to give you some tools. I want to know what you're using with your first-time clients. I want to know what your difficulties are so we can see how we can get the Pilates to the people in an effective, direct way, okay? I want to give you the tools to unfold it within yourself and the tools to start a process to unfold it within your client. So we have to find the balance between guiding or doing everything for the client. We have to find the balance between starting a process of self-discovery within the person that's safe. So where do we find that balance? Where do we start from?